It's AU concept.
Ooh. What an evil day. Water run away my eyes, oh. Water run away my eyes, oh. When I see my people dying, when I see my people suffering, what an evil day. What a calamity in my country. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is happening today. Ema wagulo lededekbe. Water run away my eyes, oh. Water run away my eyes, oh. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Up your mo, I'ma set the homo yamu. Era vijeya. Father don't even care about the children. Mothers don't even care about the children. Children don't even know their father. Where are we going to? Where are we coming from? My people, wake up now. Africa, wake up now. Nigerians, wake up. Stand up and fight for your right. Don't be asleep. He who sleep, no sleep or slumber. Is freedom. All we need is freedom. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Freedom, freedom, freedom. I wake up in this morning. When I look at my right side, I see people dying. When I look at my left, I see mothers weeping about the situations that is going on in my country. All things have turned around right now. Killings everywhere, sorrows every day. Nobody knows what is going on.